There's a type of creator who posts multiple times a week, never seems to be stressed about, and still has a life outside of Instagram. It's not that they love making content more than you do. Well, maybe they do a little bit, but I'm telling you, they have a system and they're using tools like HeyGen to make things more efficient. By the end of this video, you'll have the framework for a full month of Instagram content, and you'll know exactly how to produce it in a few focused sessions using a HeyGen feature that most people haven't even found yet. If you're new here, HeyGen is an AI video platform that lets you create presenter-style videos using an AI avatar, stock or your own clone, instead of filming yourself every time. No need to set up the camera and lights just to make a reel. The feature we're building around today is called batch mode. It lives inside of HeyGen and it does exactly what it sounds like. You load multiple scripts, you assign an avatar, and you generate multiple videos all at once. Genuinely, one of the most useful things I've found for content creators who need volume without losing their minds. We're going to get into it, but first, why would someone need this? The reason most people don't post consistently on Instagram is usually not because they don't have ideas. We have ideas, but the production workflow just isn't there yet. You have an idea, you sit down to make the video, and suddenly you're thinking about the background, the lighting, whether your hair looks right. You film it, you hate it, you film it again. You spend 20 minutes on the caption. By the time one reel is posted, it's too many hours and your brain is toast for the day. Multiply that by 3 posts a week, and it makes a little bit more sense why consistency feels impossible. But I want you to look at it this way. Planning and production are two completely different jobs. Sorting out what to say, that's the planning. Making the video, that's production. And when those two things are tangled up together, it slows everything down. But when you separate them, do a little context switching, things can run a lot smoother. And batch mode in HeyGen makes it all so much better. Let me walk you through it. We're going to build week 1 of content for a productivity creator. Someone who teaches time management and focus habits and wants to show up on Instagram 3 times a week with short, useful content. Monday, a quick tip, something specific, something actionable, under 60 seconds. Wednesday, a mindset post, a reframe, a perspective shift, a have you thought about it this way moment. Friday, a tool or a resource recommendation, something they actually use. That's 3 types of content, 3 scripts, 3 reels, and that is 1 week. You do that 4 times and you've got yourself a month worth of content. When we are ready, all 3 of those scripts are going to go into HeyGen's batch mode at once. One avatar delivers all of them, and they generate together while you move on to doing any of the other million things you've got to do. Always so much to do. Before we open HeyGen, remember the content pillars. Those are recurring formats that rotate throughout your month. Every creator, yes, that includes you, benefits from having 3 or 4 of these. They give you structure without making everything feel the same. You're not inventing a new concept every time you sit down, but you are building on top of what you already decided to share. Our productivity creator has tip, mindset, recommendation. More often than not, you could do the same thing in your own way for whatever it is that you talk about. Stick to the same structure every week, just with different topics each time. And now it's time to build. Here's how the production workflow actually runs. 1, you plan. Once a month, 1 sitting. Map your pillars across the weeks. Fill in the topics, not the scripts yet, just the ideas. What's the tip for week 1 Monday? What's the mindset post for week 2 Wednesday? 12 slots, 12 1-sentence answers. That is your month mapped. 2, you script. 1 batch session. For Instagram Reels, you're working with 30 to 60 seconds of content, roughly 70 to 100 words per script. Very short. You can write 3 or 4 of these in an hour. Focused, punchy, 1 clear point each. 3, you produce. This is where typically you would film, but for us, this is where batch mode comes in. You load all of your scripts at once. You attach an avatar, you let HeyGen produce them while you do something else, anything else. 3 phases and you'll have a month of content. To find batch mode, head to the apps section on the left navigation. You can search for batch mode in the search bar. The description tells you exactly what it does. Create multiple video variants with different scripts, avatars, or voices all in one go. Love that for us. First thing, name your project. I'm calling this one Instagram because that's where these are going. It helps later when you're looking for them in your projects. Next, aspect ratio. We want portrait, 9:16, the Instagram Reels format. If we were making anything horizontal, you'd flip it to landscape. For today, portrait. Now here's where it gets good. You see these script tabs, script 1, script 2, script 3? Each one of these is a separate video. You can add as many as you need with that plus button. For our week 1, I've got 3 scripts ready to go. Script 1 is our Monday tip post. Wednesday is the mindset post. And script 3, Friday, the recommendation. 3 scripts, 3 reels, 1 week of content sitting right here. Now, the avatar. You see the add avatar panel on the right side of each script? You can pick a stock avatar, but I'm going to use one of mine. Personally, I would rotate my avatars out to change the look. Perhaps I would create one that always did the mindset videos, or one that always shows up in the tips videos, and a third that is always the recommendation. The nice thing is that you can choose the avatar for each script, so you truly have plenty of flexibility here. Now, generate. HeyGen is building all 3 at once. 3 videos with my avatars, 3 different scripts, coming out of 1 session. They'll land in your projects folder when they're done. That is week 1 in 1 batch. While that's running, you could be writing or reviewing week 2 scripts, or you could just go get a snack. Yes, look at that. 3 videos from 3 scripts, but only 1 session. That's a week of content. Do that 4 times this month and you have 12 reels. Post 3 times a week, you've got a month covered. You can go into each video and make adjustments if you need using AI Studio, but the heavy lifting is done. Now 12 reels might be your whole month, or you might want to mix in carousels, graphics, text posts to round it out. That's up to you and what your audience responds to. The point is that the video content, the part that you used to absolutely dread, is handled in HeyGen's batch mode. You planned it once, you scripted it in 1 session, you generated in 1 session. The thinking and the making happened separately, and everything was faster because of it. The creators who post consistently aren't doing anything special that you cannot do yourself with a little planning, some smart batching, and using the right tools. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you might even find yourself actually enjoying the process. Imagine that. If you want to go deeper on HeyGen, how to make your first avatar video, how to build a clone so it's your actual face on screen like mine, that is what the beginner series on this channel is for. It's made specifically for people who are just getting started. Links are in the description. But if you are ready to get some content going, start here. Pick your 3 content types, write your first 3 scripts, load them into batch mode this week, and then repeat until you've got your month. If there's anything else you'd like to learn how to do using HeyGen, let me know in the comments. I'm definitely paying attention to those. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the content we have coming out on the channel. See you next time.